Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hello everyone, I received a package from the Irish Lockpicker. It is an awesome SpaceGuard 5 lever, in a Hobbs style. Looking at the key it looks like it's going to have some warding, but, nope. It doesn't. It has no anti-pick and opens quite quickly. If I get time I'll see if this can be overlifted. Until then, thank you Irish Lockpicker for a go on this awesome piece of history. Stay safe everyone, and I will see you in the next video.